Family Weekend is always super fun. I'm part of the mob. I joined last year. Had tons of friends in it, saw how much fun the organization was, really fell in love with it. They put out a bunch of pamphlets that said, come play with us, we'll take any instrument, even kazoo. So I saw that, I took the paper with me to the first rehearsal, and I was like, hi, I'd love to play kazoo. It's been a really great time, but I actually come from a musical family because this guy over here has played the tuba for quite a while.
I joined this year, I joined the mob. I asked him first, said, you okay with me playing in the mob?
He was super cool about it.
Yeah, and he was like, do it, Dad, let's do this together and have a year together, a senior year, and I'm very fortunate and blessed that he would want me to be a part of it. And now that it's Parents' Weekend, Mom gets to join.
So I'm joining the kazoo section today just for Family Weekend, for Parents' Weekend, and get to join the kazoo section, which will be super fun, and an honor to be part of the mob, which is a classic here at Rice.
It's like a dream come true to be in the mob because the mob is famous. Everybody knows the mob. It's one of the best organizations at Rice University.
We are part of the Rice family now.
It is a community.
Yeah.
And they open their arms, and it's fantastic. Yeah. Love it. Love everything about Rice.
When you come onto campus, you are a Rice owl. Even if you didn't go here, you still have connections, and it's just such a wonderful place. No matter where you're from, who you are, they just welcome you with open arms.
Let's go, Rice Light never dies.